Hi, I'm David Martinez, lead service technician here at WhisperKOOL, and I'd like to show you how to use pan tabs when cleaning your drainage system inside of your cooling unit. Pan tabs should be added to the condensate drain pan of your evaporator unit about every 6 months to twice a year. Proper drainage of the water that collects in the pan is important. We use pan tabs to fight the negative effects of mold, bacteria, and hard water buildup. For CX systems, you will see a small square panel held on by screws. Remove the 2 screws to gain access. Place the pan tab in the tray and put the panel back. That's it. For fan-up systems, you will need to remove the entire side panel. Do this by removing screws holding it in place. You will see the tray at the bottom of the unit. Place the pan tab in the tray. Reinstall the side panel. And you're done. I hope this video was helpful. If you need any more information, please refer back to your owner's manual or customer service. Thank you.